Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're facing this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device while changing the password cannot verify identity, your action could not be completed because of a server error. Try again. So if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device while changing the Apple ID password, then here in this video I will tell you the possible solutions through which you can easily fix this problem. So now let's get started how you can fix this type of problem. First of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, the first one thing is you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will need to scroll it below, then tap on general. Then here scroll it below. Then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here tap on reset. Then after that tap on reset network settings. After that, here you will need to enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here you will have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down. Then here press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone or iPad device. And then after that, try to change the Apple ID password and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Open again setting. Then here you will need to scroll it below, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version of the iOS. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Open any browser like Safari or any other, and then here in search bar you will have to search for the Apple system status, that all the functions are working properly of the Apple system status. Then here make sure that the Apple system status is working properly. If here is any problem, then here you will need to wait a while and then try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Open setting, then here scroll it below, then tap on general. Then here you'll need to tap on date and time, and here make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here. Then after that go back. Then here you'll need to tap on VPN and device management, and here make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you're connected with VPN, then here you will have to disconnect with VPN and then try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Open setting, then here scroll it below. So here you will have to search for Safari browser. So here is Safari, you will need to tap on this. Then after that scroll it below, then tap on clear history and website data, then tap on clear all history. Then here you'll need to go back. Then after that here you'll need to scroll it below, then tap on advanced. Then here tap on website data, and from here you will have to delete the all browsing website data from here. Then after that go back. Then after that here you'll need to open again setting, then tap on your Apple ID, and from here you'll have to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device and sign in again. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to reset or change Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad device, and next time you will not face this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.